Hey everybody, today I am working on a 12 by 12 canvas and I found this old glass candle jar and I figured I would pour on it. I need to have a little jar to hold some of my push pins, so I thought I would pour on one and then make a painting at the same time. So all of these colors that I've got here in front of me are colors that I've used in the past and I had a little bit left, so I'm going to use those up. Alright, so this first color I've got is pewter, and that is from DecoArt Americana. This one is Loft Metallic Cobalt Blue. This one is Marta Steward Crafts Silver. This one is Loft Metallic Leaf Green. And then I've got a red, and that is from Liquitex, and it's called Pyrole Red. And then this one is Indigo from Lukas. So I'm just going to go ahead and put all the colors in the cup, and then I'm going to pour them on. Okay guys, so I just went ahead and put all the colors in the cup, and I'm going to squeeze it there, and then I'm just gonna pour. Gotta make sure that it's a little straight there. Alright, here we go. Alright, so now I'm just going to let it sit for a little bit, and I will move the glass jar off of the canvas, and then I will be back. Okay, so I moved the glass jar out of the way, and I let the middle go together, and it looks really cool. So I'm going to try to keep that middle, because I really like the way that looks. And I'm going to take some pearl white and go around it. Okay guys, so it's been about half an hour, and here is the painting. It looks very cool. All the colors mixed, and it's all shiny. There's a little faint green right there, which is about the only green left that you can see. But these colors are really cool. I've got some cells here and there, and I just like the very abstract look of this. There's some more cells, and I got to keep the middle, so I'm really happy about that. Alright, and here is the jar. It actually is still on the cup, and of course I forgot to put it on my spinny thing, so that's about as good of a look as you guys are gonna get for now. Alright, it looks really kind of crazy right now. Alright, so I'm going to let these dry, and I will be back. Stay tuned. Okay guys, so here's the painting and the jars. I actually did a little bonus jar there. I'll show you that in a minute. I'll show you the painting first. Turned out really good. I love how these colors blended. I did lose a lot of my green, so I'm kind of bummed about that, but everything else looks really, really good. I love the middle. Super happy about that. Alright, so here's the little jar. You can see that turned out pretty cool. I actually got some more green on that. And then here's the bigger one. Looks really, really good. And once these are cured, then I'm just going to go ahead and seal them, and they'll be nice and protected. Alright, so thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, check out my links in my description, and have a great day.